हेलो नमस्कार वेलकम टू बनमस्का। मैं कहानियों का सौदागर और आज फिर एक नया सौदा लाया हूँ कहानी के तौर पर। सौदा है तो लेन देन तो होगा ही। मैं आपको दूंगा एक कहानी और बदले में लूंगा आपसे आपका वक्त। कहानी के चलते चलते आपको एहसास तो हो ही जाएगा कि सौदा फायदे का रहा। बनमस्का, untold Parsi stories of love, heartbreak, pain, grief, happiness, laughter, tears, and triumph. This is the non-confirming Parsi, and you are listening to Banmaska. किस्से कहानियाँ बस. Stories of a Parsi by a Parsi for the world to listen. चलो शुरू करिए. पपई मम्मी की जो किताब थी उसके दो हिस्से थे. पहले हिस्से पर लिखा था शी और दूसरे हिस्से पर लिखा था ही. शी मतलब आभा और ही मतलब नौशर. आइए सुनते हैं आभा की कहानी. आभा opened the door. It was her PR friend. It took a while for her to realize that. Her eyes were moist and imagery still blurred. You still feel he's going to come back to you? The PR friend asked. Abha didn't reply. Come on, I am your friend first, PR later. I know you don't wear a sari, that too a red one, not at least when you have a photo shoot. Her PR friend Sarika continued. But isn't he going to be there for some more days? Or has he fled from there as well? Coward. Abha was simply numb. Sensing something was not too good with her, Sarika asked with concern, Are you okay, princess? No, I am not. He has left from the rehab, but he hasn't called nor has he come. I am worried. Would he be alright? She finally spoke. For God's sake, look at yourself. You are a model. You are about to start a career in films. You have a damn shit good life ahead. And why the hell are you after that man who is so messed up? Princess, get a hold on yourself. Trying to sit her down, Sarika said. Shut up. Just shut up. Pushing her away, Abha continued. This is my life and I know what I am doing. You are my PR and simply handle my work and schedule. Do not try to handle my life. And don't you call yourself my friend. You don't even know him and what he means to me. Okay, princess. Tell me what is the scene between the two of you. The media is already making up stories of your relationship with him. Before they mess up, let's give them the truth. Sarika assertively said. See, you are still talking like a PR. Isn't that my job? Sarika said. Suddenly Abha hugged her and broke down, weeping inconsolably. Princess, look at me. You need to tell me the entire truth. But later, as of now, you have an entire unit waiting for your photo shoot. After which, we have a meeting with Rabble Studios to work out the details of the film. I cannot cancel it, sweetheart. Please do it. Do it for me. Holding her hand and comforting Abha, Sarika continued. I promise I shall get him traced. He will come back to you. Abha's eyes still glanced one last time at the phone. But he didn't call. How could he? He had carried all his belongings with him, but not his cell phone. Even if he would have, he wasn't going to call. Abha had said when they parted, Don't ever show me your face again or call me up. I don't want to hear your voice or see you ever. Go. Please go away from my life forever. Abha managed to mask her pain with grease paint and plastic expressions. She was good at that. Neither the camera nor the harsh lights could peel through to capture her real emotion that lay within. It is going to be a grueling schedule, the producer explained at the Rebel Studios office. It's a travel movie, so we are going globetrotting. We are going to travel almost the whole world. Rome, Italy, Melbourne, New Jersey, and finally Iran. Nothing could sound fascinating to her except the last word he uttered. Iran? Abha inquisitively asked. Yes, she means no one generally shoots movies in Iran. Sarika chipped in. But you never know, we may be the first ones in a long time, the director proclaimed. He would always say he wanted to visit Iran once in his lifetime. Is that probably the only reason Abha took up the project? Who has left Abha? Is it Noshir? Will their paths ever cross? Or we will know in the episode 4 when we meet Noshir again. Ban Maska. Untold Parsi stories of love, heartbreak, pain, grief, happiness, laughter, tears, and triumph. This is the non-confirming Parsi, and you are listening to Ban Maska. Kisse, kahaniyan, bas. Stories of a Parsi, by a Parsi, for the world to listen.